In this video, we'll be talking about the 5 different levels of service so that you can learn how to progress from one level to another. So let's begin. So at this stage, all you're concerned with is trying to hit the shuttle across the net. Like no matter how hard you try, you just seem to miss the shuttle until you realize what the secret ingredient is. And that is to like this video and practice a lot of times. After you clear the first stage, you reach the second stage. And I call this getting creative because at this point, you're able to serve a little bit more consistently and you're starting to get creative with your shots. Like you realize, why serve to the front when I can try to serve to the back, right? Can trick my friends, have a little bit of fun. So that is the second stage. But the problem with this is that your shots are not near the corner, they're not accurate, but it doesn't matter, you're having fun. And then comes stage 3. At this stage, all you're concerned with is trying to hit the shuttle consistently to one spot, making sure that the shuttle passes the net flawlessly, because you know that if the shuttle is a little bit high or a little bit inaccurate, the punishment could be a shot on your head. Alright, so you don't have much variation, but your goal is try to make sure the shuttle is consistently across the net. And then comes stage 4. At this stage, you realize, hey, you know what? The service isn't just about the serve, it's also about following up after the serve. So you start to get a little bit more careful. You start to be prepared, you start to follow up well. Essentially, you're turning competitive. And it is at this stage that you meet a lot of different players and you see players that are really skilled. Like you realize, how do they serve and follow up so quickly? You try to follow up, you know how to follow up, but you can't seem to get the kind of efficacy that these top players or these very competitive players do. Then you reach stage 5. At this stage, you realize it's a lot about the tactical serve. So the placement of your serve is key. Once you realize how to serve, the positioning of your serve, it makes following up so much easier. And then at this stage, you are confident with your service, you are able to control exactly where you want the serve to be. You're so used to serving the shuttle consistently such that you can even focus where your opponent is standing and you can serve exactly where you want it to be, and then you strike.
Yeah, good call.
Good call, he did move.
Definitely. Umpire Stéphane Vernet for France, well spotted. Good call. Move before the serve was struck.
So what level is your serve? If you haven't reached the highest level that was shown in the video, don't worry. We have a video course or service course that will help you reach that level. The video course covers content such as killer service placement, how to read your opponent like a book, and things of that sort. Link in the description down below. Anyways, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we post free badminton videos on this channel. So if you want to learn other tips and techniques on how to play better badminton, then you better subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.